How Robin Hood met his death. Now this story should end with the wedding of Robin Hood and Maid Marian. But not all stories end with "and they lived happily ever after." But we have to know how Robin Hood met his death many years later. So this is how it happened. A few months after the wedding, Robin Hood and his men fought against the Norman barons in England. And the king went to the Holy Land again. Robin Hood missed the fresh air of Sherwood Forest. He did not like living in a big city. After some time, Robin decided to travel to other countries. He took Marian with him, and together they went through many strange lands. Suddenly Marian died of the plague. Robin was very sad. All the joy went out of his life. He traveled about the world for a few years more. Then he came back to London. But the king still did not come back from the Holy Land. And Prince John did not like Robin at all. He met him angrily. "Go back into your forest. And kill some more deer. We do not need you here," said Prince John. Robin Hood was very angry and sad. He left the city and went to the forest. There Robin blew his horn again. Many bowmen joined him joyfully. They were very happy to see their master again. After that they lived in the forest and waited for the time when King Richard would come back again. But King Richard did not come back. He met his death in the Holy Land. And greedy Prince John became the new king. Soon Little John ran away from Nottingham and joined his band. The new king was very angry with the outlaws. He sent many knights into the forest to kill Robin Hood and his bowmen. But the knights could not kill the outlaws, and they ran away from Sherwood Forest. But Robin Hood had a serious wound after that fight. His power left him. One day he rode slowly and fell from his saddle. He was very ill. He walked slowly to the nearest house. A woman in black recognized Robin Hood at once. She invited him into her house and did her best to help him. Some say she was the sheriff's daughter, and found her revenge at last. Anyway, Robin was very weak. He called for help, but there was no answer. He looked through the window at the green forest. But he was very weak and could not walk. Then he took out his horn and blew it 3 times. The sound of his horn was not loud. At that same moment Little John walked by the edge of the forest and heard a far-off sound. He jumped to his feet and ran to the door of the house. Soon he saw his weak master on the floor. "Oh, my master. I think it was revenge. Let me burn this house," cried Little John. "No, my good friend. We have to forgive all our enemies. And you know that I cannot hurt a woman," said Robin. Robin had closed his eyes. Little John started to cry loudly. After some time Robin opened his eyes weakly. "Lift me up, Little John. I want to smell the air from our forest again. Give me my bow and my long arrow. Dig my grave, where my arrow shall fall," said Robin Hood. And Robin Hood shot a bow out of the open window. Then he fell down on the floor. "That is all. Lay me there under the tree. Put my bow next to me. And sing a merry song for me," said Robin. That is how Robin had met his death. But his spirit lives through the centuries in the ballads, and in the hearts of men who love freedom. His bowmen dug Robin's grave where his arrow fell. And this is what they wrote on the stone of his grave. "Here under this stone lies Robin Hood. He was the best bowman and outlaw. And England will never see his like again."